Hello viewers, how are you all? Hope you're having a great time and enjoying the best condition of your health. I welcome you all in this new video of my channel Fashion Studio. Today I'm showing you the latest and gorgeous collection of leather long high boots, the ultimate fashion icon and a must-have item in the wardrobe. Long boots are stylish yet simple, elegant and sophisticated. These are crafted from premium quality leather. Leather is a durable and fine material. It everlasts wears with its shine and fine lining. Its texture makes the look cleaner, forms like in the colder months. The high heel makes you feel comfortable. You can wear them for long hours with ease and comfort. You can style them whenever you're going to offices, night with friends, or going to evening parties. These are versatile and adorable. You can style them with jeans, dresses, blazers, etc. Hope you guys like all designs and ideas of the video. See you soon. Stay happy and stay blessed. Keep visiting my channel for more videos and ideas of long boots.